official room tour.
Welcome.
Where are we, Jen?
We're in the Aventura Hotel.
Aventura, okay. So when you first walk in, your first view is obviously the main room. There's 2 beds.
Don't forget the mirror.
And I won't forget the mirror right here.
Full length.
Full length mirror to the left of the door as soon as you walk in. There are fidget spinners all over the wall. And then to the right of the door is a connecting door. So if you have a room that's connecting to someone, it's right there. I haven't even like looked that much in this, but here's the closet. Nice size closet, extra blankets, comforter, ironing board, iron hangers, and down here is the luggage rack. It's very roomy, very nice. Sorry for that. I try to be gentle. Then last part on this wall is the little coffee station and mini fridge. And I'm not sure if there's anything. Oh, I don't want to knock Jen in the face, but there's the safe.
Huge safe.
Huge,
Plenty of space for a laptop.
Tons of storage, yeah. iPad, I mean purses, you could fit a lot in there. So, I'm gonna come back around this way so we can show the bathroom. Bathroom with 1 sink, extra space over here. Looks like we've got just extra toilet paper, cups, and I'm sure that's the hair dryer. Over here are the hand towels and washcloths. You can probably use that for storage as well. Soap is this Zero skincare bar. And they've got tissues, sink, plenty of space underneath the sink for storage. And then of course, full-length mirror. Or not full-length, you know, big mirror. Here's the toilet room. Hang your towels right up there. There's a light switch on and off. They've got a tub with a towel, shower curtain, nice white, nothing too crazy in here. Oh, it's not focusing. There we go. Zero shampoo, conditioner, and another cleansing bar. This is like, I thought it was wallpaper. It's not. It's like a faux plastic. I don't know what that kind of material is. Here's your hook for your bathing suits. If you're over at Volcano Bay, you just take that in right there and pull, and you can hang up your bathing suits if they're wet. More towels over here. They've got the toilet with the 1 and 2 button for less water and more water. Right here are these nice, really cool dividers, just to give a little bit of privacy but not have a complete wall. There's Jen, say hi.
Hello, I'm just turning on the light.
We got some,
There's ample lighting.
there is ample lighting. Nice little desk area, trash can and chair, thermostat, and reading lights right here.
Is this for
This,
speaker? Like a...
I don't know, it has a power
Bluetooth?
button. I'm not exactly sure.
I'll try it out while you're looking there.
We've got a nice TV. We turned it off, but it was on whenever we came in. And then of course, drawer space here if you want to unpack and get yourself comfortable. Lots of drawer space. They've got this cute little chair here. And then really neat looking light. It's very modern and like cool looking. Here's the 2 beds. These are queen, right?
2 queens,
Or
yeah.
2 double, yeah, 2 queens. Over here is the coolest part, one of the newest additions that I've seen in a hotel room, an iPad that will control, you know, your TV, your media. You can get services up here, dining, touch it, oh, there we go. Your bill, a whole bunch of stuff. They also have a phone, and, oh gosh, how do you open this? Oh, there's no Bible.
Oh, guess what?
What?
Hold on a second.
Oh, was the Bible on here?
The Bible is on here. I think it's under...
Oh, they have Hulu and Prime.
Yep.
Lots of cool stuff.
Where was that?
Is
I
it
know it's on here somewhere.
about the, I don't know. Jen's gonna
Anyway.
look, but back in here, there are 2 USB ports, 2 regular plugs, and then this red, I don't know what that red does. The red looks like maybe it's scary, like I shouldn't press the button actually. Here's the beds, very nice.
No, there it is. It's under Internet and Tools.
Oh, Internet and Tools
Bible.
is the Bible. So they don't have your regular Bible in the drawer anymore. It's in the digital world. Yep. What they have over here on each of the beds are your reading lights. Puts off a nice amount of light, and that comes on each of the headrests for the 2 beds. Here's the view we have. That is Volcano Bay, and then this is Cabana Bay, which is pretty cool. And the rooms are this building right here. That is where we stayed last time we were at Cabana Bay. We had, oh actually, I think it was that one. I can't remember.
Yeah, it was over to the left there.
The left? I thought it was to the right. Well, anyway, we've stayed there, and this is our first time at this hotel. But so far, we're really enjoying it. We had a great lunch, and this is a very nice room. We're excited to see. Oh, Jen, lay on the bed and or sit on the bed and tell me what it's like. Maybe don't lay down, but go ahead and just give me a
Ooh, they're firm,
firm.
but like almost like a foam.
Maybe
Ooh,
they're
try and sit down.
maybe they're one of those new like
Hybrid.
hybrid kind of beds. Anyway, we'll let you know in another one of our videos.